Hey everybody, I'm sad the TikTok's going away, but I'm going to show you how to download all of your videos and their metadata. Super simple, all through automation. All you got to do is set it up and wait for it to run. Let's get started. Here's how we're going to do this. So first thing you're going to do is navigate over to my profile. Go to my link in bio, and you're going to go to dhutz.com/TikTok. From here, you'll see this how to download your TikToks. I set up this tutorial. I made it super easy for you. And then I've also got my socials up here. If you're interested in following me, if this is helpful for you, I would love to stay connected with you guys, even though it can't be on TikTok. I've still got those other socials out there for you. All right, so next thing we're going to do is open up dhutz.com/save my TikToks. That's where this tutorial is. And then I've made it custom to you. So go ahead and type in your username up here. And what that's going to do is update all of these links where you can just copy and paste everything. And it's super, super simple. So first thing we're going to do, open up a new tab in your browser. Okay, easy. I'm going to move this over to the side so you can see both. Next thing you're going to do is go to TikTok and log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to see all your profile videos here. Then we're going to click F12 on our console or on our browser. That's going to open up the console. If you don't see console, click on these two buttons and select console there, but it should pop up automatically. Now, Google limits the ability for you to paste code in there. So we're going to take step 5 here and copy, allow pasting, and then we're going to paste that into there. And then if it gives you an error, that's okay. I'm already a developer, so I already have that enabled, but that's going to allow us to do the next part here where we are going to copy the entire script from below. And you can just click copy keyboard or copy to clipboard here, go over to our browser, paste that into there, and then hit enter. What this is going to do is it's going to go through your entire profile. It's going to scrape all the video URLs and save them to a text file in your downloads folder. What we're going to do from there is we're going to use code to scrape through each one of those URLs to then go and grab the video and download it locally to your computer. So I've also added a step where we are going to download the metadata as well. So in case you want your view count, your comments, your likes, you know what videos were most popular and you can get to that later. That way, if you're going to repost them somewhere else, you know which ones are your most popular ones to post. All right, so then you can see down here in my downloads, I now have a .txt file. So what I'm going to do is scroll to part 2 here. So now in part 2, we're going to open up our Spotlight, which to do that, you're just going to hit Command Spacebar, and that's going to bring up your Spotlight search, or you can hit this little magnifying glass up here in the top, and that'll do the same thing. You're going to type in terminal, and this is already installed on your Mac. You're going to find that app there. You're going to open that app up, and that's going to bring up this window here. So I'm going to copy this from my tutorial. I'm going to paste that in, and that's going to install YouTube download package. What that's going to help us do is go and scrape our text file that we downloaded and download all of those videos. It's called YouTube download package, but it works for TikTok videos too. You can see I've already got it installed, so you're going to see a different message there, but that's okay. All right, now we're going to move to part 3 here, and we're going to set up our downloads folder. Now, realize you're downloading videos, so these are going to be, even though TikTok compresses them, they're still, depending on how many you have, it could be quite a large file size. So if you open up your open up your Spotlight search and do storage, your Mac will tell you how much storage you have available. If you don't have like 7 to 10 gigs, I recommend using an external drive. Otherwise, you can download them straight to your downloads folder. It's up to you. I prefer to download them straight to a folder that I want and keep it organized. So that's what I'm going to do. And again, all of this is in this part 3 section here, but I'm just going to walk you through it. So you're going to open up Finder on your Mac. I'm going to go to my external drive here, and then I'm going to create a new folder called My Videos. Okay, next I'm going to take that My Videos folder, open it up, and I'm going to drag that my username.txt into this folder. Then I'm going to go back, and I'm going to right click on that, choose new terminal at folder. What that's going to do is it's going to open up my terminal at that folder where I just put that text file. And that's going to allow the YouTube download package to scrape through that and get all of our videos. All right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to download the metadata for our videos. So now that I'm in the My Videos section here, I'm going to copy this code to the clipboard and I'm going to paste it. Now you see the file name it's looking for is the one that we just put into that folder. Okay, and that needs to match so that it knows where to find those. I'm going to hit enter, and then from there it's going to start going out and reaching and grabbing all the metadata for my folder. Now, or from my video list there. You can see a new JSON file gets saved there. I'll talk about that later. Next, let's move on to part 5, the final step where we're going to download those videos. So I'm going to go back to where I see my videos. I'm going to open up another terminal at that folder, and you can see my videos. Make sure I'm there. Copy this code, paste it over here, and then that's actually going to run the downloader, and it's going to download one by one every single video. So if I open up my videos now, you can see here are all of my videos getting downloaded in MP4 format. It's got my username and the video ID. And then what I can do is in the JSON file, I can search for that video ID and I can find what the metadata was for it. So how many likes, comments, views, all that type of stuff. When this terminal where we were running the metadata command, when it finishes, you'll see it'll have your username and then the folder name there. We're going to wait for that to finish so that I can show you what that metadata folder looks like. While I wait for that to finish though, I do have my socials down here. Just another reminder, if you like this tutorial, if you want to stay connected, I would love to stay connected with all of you guys. We built such an awesome community on TikTok, and I really am upset that it's going away. But I do have those here. And I did want to give a special thanks to ConXO on YouTube and Lorenzo, aka Dinosaur, on GitHub. I used some of their PC tutorials to help build one for Mac. So I like to give credit where credit's due. All right, so now that that's finished, you can see it shows my my videos here now. So I know that that's done. I can open up this JSON file, and you can see here is the video ID. Here's the title from the video, who uploaded it, view count, like count, all of that. And I can use any one of these titles to control find for that ID, and I can find it within this file and know exactly how many it had and everything like that. So again, guys, really hope that this is valuable for you. And I wanted to just also say that you can do this multiple times. So if I wanted to go back and do the same thing for my favorite videos or my liked videos, I can do that as well. Again, I'm just going to start back from step 1 here, copy that to the clipboard, go back into my terminal, paste it. That's going to give me a new text file. I then follow the tutorial step by step, and I move that text file into another folder. Maybe it's underscore favorites or underscore likes, and I can do the exact same thing and save all the videos that I liked, all my recipes, all the great tutorials, and all the knowledge transfer that everybody on TikTok is a wealth of knowledge for. So again, thank you guys so much. It's been a pleasure, and this is just my last gift to TikTok, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.